where we make competitive programming easy and fun. I am Newton, and today I'm going to guide you through everything you need to know before getting started with competitive programming. Whether you are learning Python or C++, this is your ultimate roadmap. Let's dive in. First, why even learn competitive programming? It's not just about winning contests, it's about training your brain to solve problems faster, write cleaner code, and stand out in tech interviews. Did you know 95% of tech companies like Google and Amazon love strong problem solvers? Well, if you're a problem solver, then welcome to the right channel. This is Coding Newton. Now the question is Python or C++? Let's break it down. Is the king of competitive C++ is fast and is the king of competitive programming. With its powerful STO library, Python is beginner friendly, has a simple syntax, and comes with built-in functions that makes coding faster. C++, on the other hand, is super fast, gives you more control over memory, and is widely used in major contests. If you are just starting, Python is great for learning concepts, but if you want to dominate competitive programming, C++ is the better option. You can always switch later. Before you jump into a contest, you need this basic down code: variables, loops, functions. This is your level 1 toolkit. Imagine trying to build a rocket without knowing what a range is. Master this first and you will save yourself hours of frustrations later. Trust me, I learned this the hard way. The roadmap in the beginning might seem boring, but the more you spend to understand the concept, the better you are going to be in the contest. You must make sure you get better understanding of your variables and data types, your loops and controls, your functions. Very important. You need to understand your functions very well. Now your arrays and strings, you need to take them very serious. Your fast input and fast output are very necessary when it comes to competitive. Okay, there's another roadmap we need to climb. But trust me, this is going to be very interesting and a fantastic journey. Okay, now time for the secret sauce. These 5 concepts separate the beginners from the pros. First, your big O notation. So you know if your code is fast enough. Wow, this is very important. Your sorting and searching algorithm, these are so important, and this separate the beginners from the pros. So as somebody who wants to be a champion when it comes to competitive programming, you need to make sure you understand this concept very well. Recursion, you need to conquer and make sure you understand recursion very well. And whenever that you are given a concept, you should be able to know when to apply the various concepts. And this is what will separate you as a champion from a beginner. Well, your data structures, very important. You need to know the linear and the nonlinear aspect of your data structures, very important. As a programmer or as a software engineer who aims to work at a big tech company like Google, Amazon, you need to take your data structures and algorithms very, very serious. Well, I'm sure you want to learn all these things very fast. Don't worry, I got you covered. I'm going to provide you with YouTube playlist that will help you get started with all these basics so that you'll be able to get yourself prepared for a competitive program or for a contest. So first, for the C++ aspect, I recommend Simply Learn C++ full course. I recommend you take this course if you have so much interested in the C++, is beginner friendly, and it takes you from the beginner level straight to the advanced level. Now, for the Python, this course is also well explained that can get you started with the Python. It takes you from the beginner to the pro version. So you can also take this course to get yourself familiarized with the various concepts that I have explained. Now, to understand your data structures and algorithms very well, I also recommend FreeCodeCamp course on YouTube. It's also well explained, and you can take this course. It gives you in-depth understanding into data structures and algorithm, and this will get you well prepared for a contest. Well, the theories is great, but practice is everything. Here's where to test your skills: LeetCode for interviews, Codeforces for real contests, HackerRank for beginners, and AtCoders for hardcore challenges. Start with easy problems and level up. Slowly remember every expert was once a beginner. So, if you want to get started with this, I have already created content on this, how to sign up, how to link this to your GitHub repositories so that recruiters or your friends who want to get to see what you are doing can get in touch with you. So don't forget, go to Coding Newton, click on the subscribe button, and always when I release new content, it will pop up. You'll be notified on the content. Not only that, every week I'm going to solve a problem both in LeetCode, Codeforces, HackerRank, AtCoders, and it will be made available on this channel. So whenever you face a challenge with a concept, you can just come back to this channel to come and watch how I solve the problem. Till we meet again,